different.
Think differently.
Where have you gone? Yeah. This puppet, I don't know what it's doing. Oh, her head hasn't gone back down. That's the problem. I didn't make it go back to neutral.
Head down.
Oh my god, please no.
You've gone way over time.
Oh shit. Animation just takes that long, okay?
Right. Okay. So we're gonna go over to the launcher analysis now and
And the listening party.
do that. Yeah.
I would. Move. That way. One. Wow, that's good. Whoop. That's how long animation takes. It's a pain in the ass.
Yes.
It makes me want death.
So I'm gonna obviously save that.
Yeah. It's something. It's
It
at
is
least
something.
animated.
That's gonna hopefully turn into Luna's idol. But let's move on to the launcher analysis now.
Yay.
So this
Ring
is
doorbell?
this is the mess that is the launcher in Visual Studio. But if I run a quick debug, you'll be able to see what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty quick with this.
Yeah. And then we get to
Sausagely beans.
Sausage beans.
Visual Studio doesn't build very fast on battery power.
You've got mail.
I forgot I added that. Oh, it worked anyway. Okay, so this is the launcher. This is the thing you see if you're running Windows, and yeah, this keeps the game up to date. It also allows you to change like various settings for the launcher in the game, data management and stuff like that. You can select every single build that's ever been made for Fighting as Magic if you want to like browse the history. You've got NetPlay where you can play online. You got your game settings where you can change rounds versus timer, stuff like that. Volume. This is actually quite new. We only recently put volume settings in because it's using a workaround. It's not actually using the game volume.
Yep.
Most of the stuff in here is a workaround.
Yeah. It's just kind of like, if it works, it works. It's spaghetti code or else if.
This was me testing the notes feature on here.
Oh, it's red.
You can add pictures and stuff and links. It's quite an in-depth notes feature. If you want to like put down metas and stuff, it's quite useful.
Nice.
Just ignore that. That's a feature, not a bug. So you can also like change settings for installed builds. I don't think I've got anything installed on here. No, I haven't. But yeah, you can see change build settings, and you can also open the install folder. You can also get like a little blurb of what the version of Fighting as Magic is about. So that's the main meat of the launcher. I want to quickly show you the code for the game settings, since I did say it was very workaround heavy. So these are just the sliders. So they're going into text values first of all.
Yep.
Then to write all this to the game, it disposes the settings file and then it writes a brand new one, and it uses the stuff you set as the things to put in. So it's a very, very it's spaghetti code basically. You got the notes feature. That's pretty standard. Team versus is also a workaround. Testing is a workaround, except for like the installing and uninstalling standalone versions of things. Controllers are workarounds. We have to use Xpadder, which is like a controller thing.
I wouldn't.
So
have guessed.
if you're say you've got like a controller that doesn't work, you can run Xpadder and configure it via Xpadder, and it will work on the engine because it'll act like a keyboard.
Direct input is what is needed for it to run fine, or is it DirectX?
Yeah, direct input.
Direct input.
If you don't have a direct input compatible controller, you need to use Xpadder.
Yes.
Here's the volume code, which is the biggest workaround we've ever done.
Yep.
Because literally, in fact, this one extends. This one extends to like.
Oh God. The worse it gets.
Yeah. Hang on. Here we are. Change volume. So it finds the device which the audio is coming from. It then tries to basically see if the data for that audio is being rendered. Then it tries to search for all the sessions, and it sets the value as 0, and then it basically chooses. It basically selects the process from this little text box here that I've put in, and it's got nothing in it at the moment because it's not running. But if I were to make that text box visible, it would have like a number, which is the process ID. So it would change the volume based on what you've chosen for the process ID. It's very, very janky. It barely works.
Yeah.
But it works sometimes.
Sometimes. It works, so that means it works. Even if it's sometimes.
And then you've just got like the...
If it works straight away, you've done something wrong.
This is like the... Have I not like sorted this out? No, I haven't.
Why would you?
This is the code for like importing, exporting data, which you can do. Just easier ways to manage data on the game and stuff.
Yeah.
The game itself doesn't actually save data. The only thing it saves is like the settings file. So you're basically playing with the settings file if you use Data Manager.
Yep.
Yeah, there's not really much code stuff which is that interesting. I just wanted to show how janky it was.
Elsif.
So, oh god, yeah. I remember when it used to be Elsif. Oh, this is jank. For each, next, for each, next, for each.
Oh goodness me.
It's basically checking every single file to basically hide it because we don't want people modifying files for the game.
Yeah.
So that's that.
Because we've had a few sneaky people.
And my throat is starting to hurt, so should we just move on to the listening party?
Yeah, probably.
I can't use that application because
Oh,
you know I'll just play it from Bandcamp because Bandcamp's on you.
no. Yay. Because you're listening to Town Girls. Yay. That's the
Character select.
select. One of them.
They can see it on the screen.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go.
Going to get the beans. The beans and sausage. Could you get the lanyards as well? Thank you. I don't know how this works. much have you spent? Yeah, so. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. To get the beans. The beans. It's going pretty well, I think. Going pretty well, I think. That's why I'm tired. Yeah. I'm tired. After this, we're gonna have food and then open up the stall. Yeah. Yeah. Because I need lunch. I've only had a squares bar. I'm so tired. Maybe. I kept waking up every like 2 hours. No idea. I want to camp. There's just a caravan right next to us. It's like it's taunting us. Yeah. Migu. I love Migu. I don't think he anticipated it turning off. This is the training stage music for some reason. You're just staring at me from the fireplace. Now he's just doing his own thing. Stop playing. No! I should make the characters in public. No! No!
strange new world. Sorting through the small details of the strange new world. What a strange new world. What a strange new What a strange new world. Never seen a place that's quiet like this. Everything is turned around. This crazy world is upside down. Getting on my feet, it's the hand that I was dealt. But I don't have much time with them. Got to learn all that I can. They don't use any magic or fly with any wings. I don't get these funny clothes, skinny legs or tiny nose. Everything's confusing when it seems so new. But I look a little closer and it starts to feel familiar too. World. I'm trying to make heads or tails of the strange new world. Sorting through the small details of the strange new world.